Hello, I'm Hercules Posey. I was George Washington's black slave chef. Now I'm going to tell you about my life. Sit down, here we go.
He was born far from home. He was taken across the ocean. Chains bound him, but not his spirit. He arrived at Mount Vernon. He learned the art of cooking. He mastered every pot, every fire, every meal. He married Alice. In all, they had 3 children, Richmond, Eve, and Delia. He worked day and night. He served presidents, generals, and diplomats. He was clever, strong, respected. His skill amazed everyone. His hands created feasts that dignitaries would remember, but the law threatened his freedom. Pennsylvania required 6 months of residence for enslaved people to become free. Washington rotated him carefully, ensuring Hercules never stayed too long. Rumors arose of theft and escape. Washington doubted him. Hercules realized if they suspected him, maybe it was time to act. On his birthday, he slipped away. He traveled through Philadelphia to New York City. He became a fugitive. He protected his family. He carried hope and skill. He survived years in hiding. He may have cooked for royalty in Europe. He may have been celebrated far from home, yet his story remained secret for many years. Why, child, country. He passed, perhaps in 1812. His grave, quiet, unknown, but his name lives on. His hands created magic. Hercules Posey, a hero of freedom, a master of the kitchen, forever remembered. Remember him not just for the meals he made, but for the courage, the skill, and the freedom he claimed. Hercules Posey, the unsung hero, who defied chains and mastered his destiny.